All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today is maybe I guess it's kind of like a sad video. Not really though. I'm pretty excited. This is not clickbait. This is the end of my Doordash YouTube channel, and probably the rest or the end of me doing Doordash in total. And there's a few reasons for it. One, yesterday I made a daily dash video, which is the first time I've done it in a while, and I feel like it comes off as disingenuous because it is not something that I actually do or I really have the time for anymore. One, that's one of the main reasons. Two, gas is way too damn expensive for someone who's driving a Ford Explorer that averages 17.8 miles per gallon. It is not worth it. I did an order that was $10.50 yesterday for 5 miles, which ended up I have to drive another 5 miles. Half tank of gas. I only made a few dollars on the order, really. Did I say half tank? Half a gallon of gas in total, basically. It's not worth my time in that. And I was watching a video last night from my favorite new YouTuber, Alex Hermosi, basically talking about how the bigger your business grows, the more finite your time gets as a CEO, and I don't have the extra 20 to 30% to pull away from my business and put it into GigTube. Last year was great. Last year was kind of like the transition from going from just full-time gig work to full-time business, and it's like being a GigTuber and gig driver has been the reason why I was able to get my businesses off the ground. For those of you who don't know, I've been doing it for about 4 years, and it is really what gave me the side income to basically fund my life, so that way I can continuously reinvest the money from my businesses back into themselves. And it is now to the point where I've been kind of holding on to GigTube stuff and Doordash and everything for probably around like 6 months or so, because the income from my YouTube channel has always been pretty good. It's been, just to be transparent, around $2,000 a month. It is now down to about $1,000, and at this point doing something that is, I feel, is disingenuous because I don't really have the time for it, and I don't really have the mind capacity to keep up with other people as I did about a year ago. Like I don't even really know any of the other GigTubers really, other than like Pedro and Hannibal and UDM and the people that I've done like live streams with. So it's really hard for me to even like take some of my brain capacity away from my footwear company and everything. That is where I spend the vast majority of my time on. And that 20% that I've been putting into gig stuff and YouTube and all that, it just needs to be put into my footwear company. At this point, we've invested $200,000-ish into Off-Axis, and it is to the point where that has to be my full commitment. I cannot let that business fail, and what that means is basically taking 100% of my time and putting it into my business. I've been saying lately, sometimes you need to take a step back to take a few steps forward, and this is the step back that I need to take, and I'm prepared to basically lose all of my YouTube income. I'm sure I will, and just put that into my business. So I'm sorry to anyone who actually really likes watching me do Doordash. I just don't have the time for it anymore, and it's a little sad, you know, because I have so many good memories with all the live streams and everything with people, and I'll still do them, but everything has to be, like, I'm almost tearing up, but everything has to be dedicated towards acrobatics and everything. And it's been a little weird for the past year having my Instagram that's 100% dedicated towards performing and acrobatics and that good stuff, and then my YouTube channel, which is a completely separate topic. And it's to the point where I am probably going to be posting more of the acrobatics and stuff on my YouTube channel. I might even just start a new YouTube channel. I'm not sure. This channel's pretty dead, to be absolutely honest. Like, we used to get 2,000 views in the first hour, and now it's to the point where we get maybe 100. So, and I know it comes off as disingenuous anyways when I'm doing Doordash, because I really haven't been doing it much at all lately. So for those of you who want to come on the new journey of me basically doing straight up entrepreneur stuff, and like, my channel's always, it's never been to help you guys make more money on Doordash. It's always been to help you guys take Doordash and like really squeeze as much as you can out of it, and then move that energy towards something bigger and better. And I only started DoorDash because I had started my businesses and stuff, so it's always been towards helping people do bigger and better things. And now this is to the point where I need to put my foot down in the sand and say this is the end of this chapter. So for those of you who have stuck around, I thank you guys. Anyways, seriously gonna cry right now, but anyways, I just have to put my foot down in the sand and like move towards my business. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing. They will all be more towards the entrepreneur stuff in the future. There will not be GigTube content. I know I am like collabing with Pedro later this week, but it's going to be definitely geared towards more entrepreneurial kind of things. It's what I have to do, and I can't give up any more of my precious time towards something that is I've just been kind of holding on to it. You know, it's like a teddy bear that you've been holding on for a little bit too long. So anyways, appreciate everyone. Love you guys. Subscribe. Peace.